Have you ever wondered if two of history's most influential figures, Jesus and Buddha, could actually be the same spirit reborn to guide humanity through different ages? It's a fascinating question that bridges the worlds of philosophy, religion, and spirituality, inviting us to reflect on the interconnectedness of teachings that have transformed millions of lives. Today, we're diving deep into the parallels between the teachings of Buddha and Jesus, exploring their profound wisdom, shared principles, and the possibility that their missions might stem from a common divine source. Stick with us until the end, and you'll discover how these timeless lessons can radically transform your life, bringing clarity, peace, and purpose. But before we start this journey of enlightenment, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. By doing so, you're not only supporting this channel, but also becoming part of a community walking the path of awakening. Let's explore together. Both Jesus and Buddha lived lives of profound service and sacrifice, leaving behind teachings that echo across centuries. Buddha, born Siddhartha Gautama, renounced his princely life to seek enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. Jesus, born in humble circumstances, preached love, forgiveness, and salvation. Both men radiated compassion and attracted followers who documented their teachings for future generations. But what makes their stories so compelling are the striking similarities in their messages. Take, for example, Jesus' Sermon on the Mount, where he says, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God." Matthew 5 verse 9. Now compare this to Buddha's teaching. Hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal rule. Both highlight the transformative power of love and peace in overcoming conflict and suffering. Another parallel is their emphasis on selflessness. Jesus taught, "Whoever wants to save their life will lose it, but whoever loses their life for me will find it." Matthew 16 verse 25. Buddha similarly stated, "The root of suffering is attachment." Both invite us to let go of selfish desires to achieve spiritual freedom and fulfillment. But what if these similarities are more than coincidence? Some spiritual traditions propose that Buddha and Jesus may be different manifestations of the same divine essence, appearing in different eras and cultural contexts to guide humanity. The idea isn't far-fetched when we consider the universality of their core messages: love, compassion, forgiveness, and the pursuit of a higher purpose. So, how can we apply their wisdom in our modern lives? It begins with mindfulness, a concept Buddha emphasized through meditation, and Jesus highlighted through prayer and stillness. Both practices help us center ourselves, find clarity, and connect with the divine. Even 5 minutes of daily meditation or prayer can lead to noticeable changes, such as reduced stress and heightened awareness. Over time, these habits cultivate inner peace and resilience, allowing us to navigate life's challenges with grace. Imagine a life where you approach conflicts with compassion instead of anger, where forgiveness becomes your default response to hurt, and where love, not fear, guides your decisions. These are not just lofty ideals. They are practical outcomes of embracing the teachings of Jesus and Buddha. Now, let's look at the long-term transformation. By living a life rooted in love, forgiveness, and mindfulness, you create a ripple effect that influences everyone around you. Relationships deepen, communities strengthen, and a sense of purpose grows within you. Buddha once said, "Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Jesus shared a similar sentiment. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Matthew 5 verse 14. The climax of this journey comes when you realize that the path of awakening isn't just about personal growth. It's about collective evolution. By embodying the teachings of these great masters, you contribute to a world that values compassion, understanding, and unity. This is the ultimate purpose of their messages, bridging divisions and elevating humanity. As we close this exploration, I invite you to take action. Reflect on one teaching from Jesus or Buddha that resonated with you today, and apply it to your life this week. Share your experience in the comments. Your insights might inspire someone else. Let's build a community grounded in love, wisdom, and mutual growth. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and like it if it brought value to your day. By engaging, you're not just supporting us, you're strengthening the collective energy of this awakening community. May your life be blessed with clarity, compassion, and joy. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next journey of discovery.